Hi, this is Bill, and you are on the Travel Beat with Angela and Bill, your source for all things travel. Today we're going to take you on a room tour of a ocean view junior suite at the Riu Palace, Aruba. We hope you enjoy this video and invite you to subscribe to our channel. We will be doing another video of the full resort tour as well as videos of other destinations and cruise lines throughout the world. So sit back and enjoy. Thanks again for watching. The room is number 0639, which was a junior suite with a partial ocean view in one of the side buildings. See, it's pretty windy in Aruba. A little video of the room. We're in room 639. We're taking the video on checkout because we got in a little bit late the other night, just to kind of give you a little idea of what the room looks like. Nice double sink. Very nice quality room, nice size. Could use a little more storage spot. There's your safe. Here's a key card slot where you have to put your key in the slot, otherwise the electricity goes off, so like charging and stuff. But I discovered there's a business card or any card will work in there. It's just a mechanical thing to leave it on. That way if you go out to the beach, something you want to charge your phone, you can. In here is a little mini bar, little refrigerator. They just kind of put some drinks and they refresh it every day. See a little sitting area. Television. It's a nice little step up to the bed area. Kind of separates out the living room from the bedroom area. This is a beautiful view out of here on the from the bedroom that doesn't open. It looks like it's a patio, but it's not. And then we have the nice patio here, and as you can see in Aruba, it's always very windy. And here's my lovely wife Angela sporting her tan. Say hi, everybody. And then again, step out. This is in one of the side buildings. There's a center building, and there's two other buildings on the side. This one is from. But as you see, beautiful view. Unfortunately, we're leaving perfect weather today, but we'll be back soon. Any questions, please contact me, Bill at finestravelagency.com.